In this video, I'll show you how do I sell my stocks on Cash App. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. We're going to start right from the main page of your Cash App account. Once you open the app, make sure you're on the home screen, where you see the $ icon highlighted at the bottom. From here, look toward the left-hand side where you see your balance. If you don't currently have money in your balance, you'll simply see a bank icon or whatever amount is available in your account. Go ahead and tap on that balance section. This will take you to the money page. Now scroll down slightly until you find the section labeled Save and Invest. Under this section, you'll see an option for stocks. Tap on Stocks to open your investing account. This is where you can manage all of your stock investments directly inside Cash App. Once you're inside the Stocks section, scroll down until you see My Investments. Under My Investments, you'll find a list of all the stocks you currently own. Tap on the specific stock that you want to sell. This will open the stocks detail page, where you can see its current performance, price, and other related information. On this page, look for the Sell button. Tap on Sell to begin the selling process. Cash App will then prompt you to enter your Cash App PIN to confirm your identity. This is the same PIN you use for your cash card. Enter your PIN to continue. After confirming, you'll see an overview screen that shows the details of your sale, including where the money will be deposited, the order type, the estimated share price, the number of shares you're selling, and any fees involved. Review everything carefully to make sure it's correct. If you're selling during market hours, you'll have the option to sell immediately. If you're placing the order outside market hours, you'll see the option to schedule it for the next market open. Once you're ready, tap the confirmation button to place your order, wait for the confirmation message, then tap Done, and you have successfully sold your stock on Cash App. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.